Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download videos to watch offline on TikTok. Simply click your profile in the lower right hand side, then the three lines in the upper right hand side, click on settings and privacy. Now you want to scroll down to where it says offline videos. Once you tap on that, guys, you can set how much videos you want to download so that you can watch them offline, right? And what's going to happen is that you'll be able to watch these amount of videos offline. They'll be refreshed within a they'll and they'll ref, and they'll be ref, and they will refresh with new content once you're connected back to the Wi-Fi. So you can go ahead and you can set this, guys, so that you can able to watch TikTok videos offline, and you can set up to 200 videos. It's really up to you. So from 50 all the way up to 200. Let's stick with the 54 now. And what you want to do, just simple click and download, and you will see that it says that right now it's currently downloading some videos for me, and I can watch a ton of videos here, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply go back to my TikTok account so that you can see. So let's say I'm at TikTok now, and then whatever, things going on TikTok, I can watch whatever. Now, in order to find those videos that are currently being downloaded, you can simply click on your profile on the lower right hand side, click the three lines on the upper right hand side, go to settings and privacy, and here you want to go down to where it says offline videos, and here you'll find those offline videos being downloaded for you, and you can scroll through and watch all of those videos. And what's going to happen, you can see it says you're watching videos offline at the bottom there. So those videos are currently offline, and it will show the videos that are currently offline once I am back online. So in order to view those videos, guys, this is, you can always go back to your settings at any point in time by simply go back to the section where it says offline videos. You'll see those videos that you're watching offline. On the upper right hand side, you have a gear. You click on that gear and it's going to show you those videos that are currently in the downloaded states, right? You can always toggle that feature on to say download over Wi-Fi as well. You can do that, and you can always clear the feature. So as you can see, I have about 39 megabytes there. I can always clear those videos, right? And so I can always turn off this feature as well. And as you can see, I cleared it. I don't have any more videos here, but this is how you can easily access the feature at any point in time to set it up. And guys, that's it. Very easy and very simple. If you want to have TikTok available to you on the go, if you don't have Wi-Fi, whenever you have access to Wi-Fi, you can easily set this up, turn on this, have a bunch of videos enabled and download to your phone, or within the TikTok, have a bunch of videos download to your phone so that you can easily watch them within the TikTok app. And guess what? Once you're back online again, it's gonna do a quick update of new videos for you. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.